because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. So Mike's trying to recover from that big L he just took, so he's about to show us what he's done to his 20 BFD, because it's been out for a while. It's not engine related, it's just he wanted to put a transmission that wouldn't break every pass we went to the track. So I'm about to show you guys what Mike's been doing.
Alright, so right here we got a rotary bell housing to CD09 adapter. So it's not really an adapter, it's a whole bell housing. So this kit is from Fish Racing in Canada. And it's like it's a pretty nice kit. So the problem that a lot of rotary people have with swapping trannies on the car is every kit out there involves using an automatic rear plate, which the number of automatic FDs that are out there is like few. So this is the only kit in the market right now that includes the starter location for a manual. So they designed this kit to accept the 2009 Rx7 starter, which is the fastest cranking one. And pretty much all you have to do is cut the bell housing off, bolt this on it with all. So mount all this stuff, pretty much everything they supply, and that's it. So it comes with the throttle bearing from Tilton. This is the only kit that comes with a starter location where you don't have to replace your rear plate with an automatic one. So this fits on the automatic rear plate, on the manual rear plate, it doesn't matter. You can use the Rx8 starter. So the best one to use is the 2009 and up, which is the fastest cranking one. Comes with a Tilton push throttle bearing, and it just bolts up. It's got its own built-in bleeder right here, and a banjo for the clutch line. Kit comes with mounts, like for the tranny, and it also comes with mounts for the diff and the tranny. So right now, this is their diff brace. So you can get all these things from their website. The tranny brace right here, and the diff brace, and the kit itself. So if you use the coupon code hashtag Angel Motorsports, you can get a discount on it. But this is like a really good swap because these trannies are cheap. They're between $800 to $1,000, and they're 6-speed triple synchro, so you can shift higher. So right now the problem that we're having is that the 20B doesn't shift fast. So with this tranny, we should solve that issue. We have everything bolted up, with the exception that we have to redo the exhaust because we kind of like made it 4-inch, kind of big, so we have to like route it differently. But that won't be a problem because John's gonna take care of that.
Oh yeah?
But the kit also comes with a flywheel. So this particular flywheel right here is for a single disc clutch. But they also offer a triple disc option, which is what we have. We have an actual Tilton triple disc on the car. So it's gonna hold all the power that I'm gonna throw at it, and probably next week when we take it to the track after we do the intercooler from Koyo, we should see some improvements.
So 1,000 horsepower?
We're gonna see.
1,000 horsepower?
We technically we did 800 on an eBay intercooler that's rated for like 200. So yeah, we're gonna go for a lot.
And then you're gonna race a Ferrari.
Oh yeah, those are slow anyways.
So this kit is literally like, it's 100% done now because we got the drive shaft made. You do have to change Mike forgot to mention you have to change the shifter, and the shifter is from 09. It's a really good shifter.
So it puts it right in the stock location.
It's adjustable. You can basically you can adjust it so it fits factory. So everything's done already. Car already turns on. Like Mike said, I had to finish the exhaust, but I had to go on a tuning trip this weekend. When I come back, finish the exhaust, do the intercooler, put this thing back on the dyno. Might tune it, since Mike can't get past 800. I might just get in the seat and try to mess with it, and then start calling people out, right, Mike? You still got those people with the Datsun that want to race you?
Man, been 3 years. They haven't shown up to the track yet, so we're just gonna race ourselves again.
So next week we're also gonna put the Repo on Ignite for the first time ever and see the gains on it. We were making about like 600 before on 16, and we're gonna see how much we actually push the engine now that we know that we don't need an intercooler to run Ignite.
My shift now fell.
Roll the car back. I'm not gonna crawl under the car.
Q said, "Fuck you."
Right now, the turbo's not connected, so it's NA power. But you know, this ain't like everybody else. Like everybody else's cars on YouTube. Like this shit actually starts. We're back, bro.
Sick, bro. That was like the bumpiest like recording of my life. Mike's FD's back. The first shin still hasn't. We haven't done anything to it. Waiting to buy a clutch because your boy's not rich. So once I get money again, I'm just gonna buy the clutch for the transmission. Put the transmission on. I'm redoing the whole front suspension because my suspension wasn't correct for drag racing. So we're gonna redo all that, and then go back out. And for round 2, we're hoping Mike's transmission is what he needed, so he won't miss any more gears. But we're gonna see if I got what it takes now to beat the faster Vargas. That was literally in NA. The turbo light connected.
That shit's still going.
Yo, even in NA, I still fuck up that Ferrari.
Yo, what's up with your wheels though?
Oh yeah, I borrowed the wheels. So the FD's and RX8 wheels right now because we kind of stole them, put them in the RX8. But the whole reason is because this FD is actually getting a whole new drag package, front and rear, from Heritage Wheels, and I can't wait to get them.
So for now, you're gonna see this thing with some. This car looks super Puerto Rican right now, man. Like you look like you're from New Jersey.
It kind of like, you know, with some spacers, it can pull it off.
We're losing hope on Michael.